Okay, I'm about to show y'all how I pick up one of these containers. This particular container is easier because it has the holes where you can put the forklift forks in there. So those are a little easier. These ones are harder because they don't have no hole. So those containers like tip up and down. Here's the forklift. Let's go look at it. It's raining out here, so let's look at this. Let's show y'all how I deliver it. Pick up a container, at least in the yard. I'll show y'all how I pick up a delivery when I go out there on the road. Right now I'm in the yard. Sorry if I'm not holding it straight. I can't just sit it down because it's raining out here. Up in the air. That's what it looks like up in the air. That's a 40-foot container. People making houses out of those. Sorry about the bad close to this container too. Really careful. Close to this other container. And I'm going to sit it up here on top of these containers. Let's get it out of the way because we need more room in the yard because we got to pick up like a whole bunch of these. We deliver mostly to like Walmarts and stuff like that. And they use it for layaway, so my boss rents them. We got one Walmart out here in my city that orders 100 of these every year. All of this shit. That's the one I just put up there on top of those containers.